In order for us to solve this circle geometry problem, I would like us to look at the cyclic quadrilateral theorem. So we'll be looking at some circle theorem here and some triangle properties to solve this. Now, if you look at this is a cyclic quadrilateral, PQTV is a cyclic quadrilateral because all the edges are on the circumference of the circle. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, if you look at this angle, this is a straight line and this is also a straight line. So if this angle is 65, then you also agree with me that this angle here will also be 65. And what is the reason? Vertically opposite angles are equal because they are facing each other. So if you have two straight lines like this and you have an angle on one side, the opposite angle to it is a vertically opposite angle and they are both equal because vertically opposite angles are equal. So that means this is 65 degrees. Now, if you look at this triangle TUV, you see that this line here, UV, is extended outward. So this line is extended outward to form an exterior angle here. So the theory that we have to apply here now is that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So adding these two together, 65 plus 30 will give us 95. So that means this angle here is 95 because the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Now, coming back to this quadrilateral PQTU, this angle here and this angle here are opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Then this angle now here, this angle now is an exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. So the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. Hope you are getting it. The exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. So this quadrilateral this line extend outward to form this exterior angle. The exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the opposite interior angle. So that means this angle here is 95 degrees. 95 degrees. So from there now, we can now take this quadrilateral here, this smaller quadrilateral outside the triangle, the circle, to find the value of angle X. And you agree with me that angle X, which is this angle, plus angle 65, plus angle 65, plus this angle here, which is equal to 90. This small box means that this angle is 90 degrees. So plus 90, and then plus this last angle, 95. 95. All these four angles of this quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. Don't forget, all the angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So from there, I can now say X 65 plus 90 will give us 155. 155 plus 95 is going to give us 250. So that will now say plus 250 is equal to 360 degrees. From there, I can now say X will be equal to the 360 here. Then this plus 250, when it comes to this side, becomes minus 250. So 360 degrees minus 250 will give us 110 degrees as the value of X. And that's our final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.